Hello everyone, I'm Excelfor and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this confetti effect. The first thing that we are going to need is a confetti image, so I created one in Krita. And for your information, I'm very bad at art, so please don't judge. Now that we are in Unity, we are going to import the confetti image. I already created a simple endgame panel for this tutorial, which contains a black background and a congratulation text. We are going to need to change the canvas from screen space overlay to screen space camera and make sure that you assign the main camera to it. After that, we are going to create a new particle system, and as you can see, the particles are behind the panel. In order to fix this, we are going to create a new sorting layer. Let's call it foreground. And after that, we are going to go in the particle system, renderer, and set the layer to the newly created foreground. Next, we are going to create the material for the particle system. Let's call it confetti material. It's going to be of type particles standard unlit. And for the render mode, we are going to set it to additive, and the albedo is going to be the sprite that we created earlier. Now we can start to configure the particle system. We are going to set the material to be the confetti material, and for the render mode, we are going to set it to vertical billboard. Let's change the shape. Because we want the confetti to spawn in the top side of the panel, we are going to use an edge shape. And we are going to change its orientation so that the particles are moving down after they spawn. The size of the particles is too big, so I am going to change the value to be between 0.35 and 0.4. And also we are going to decrease the velocity of the particles. For the color of the particles, I'm going to create a random color and change the mode from blend to fix. And after that I will add 5 colors at equal distance from one another. You can add as many colors as you want, and also you can change the mode from fix to blend if you wish. Great, the particles are starting to look better, but we still need to do a few more things. I'm going to apply a random rotation on each axis, increase the amount of spawned particles, and also add a bit of noise to them. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. The project link is down in the description. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments. Bye!